Artificial intelligence, I mean, you hear that term everywhere, right? It's all over the headlines, it's the buzzword of the decade, but what's really going on behind the hype? Today, we're going to break it all down and get to the heart of what this incredible technology is all about. Have you ever just stopped and wondered, can a machine actually learn? You know, like we do? Can it adapt and think in a way that feels, well, human? It sounds like something straight out of a movie, but that one question is what's driving so much of our technology forward. Well, that massive question, that's the very foundation of artificial intelligence, or as pretty much everyone calls it, AI. So what is it really? At its core, AI is all about trying to simulate human intelligence inside a machine. It's the whole science of building systems that can do things that, up until now, have required a person. Things like reasoning, solving puzzles, and even just perceiving the world around them. Okay, so how does it actually work? It's kind of like a simple four-step dance. First, it just soaks up massive, and I mean massive amounts of data. Then, from all that info, it starts to recognize patterns. Based on those patterns, it makes decisions or predictions. And here's the kicker, the really amazing part. Over time, it gets better and better all on its own. It improves. But hold on a second. That word, learn, it's doing a lot of heavy lifting there, isn't it? It really begs the question, how does a machine actually learn something if you haven't programmed it for every single possibility out there? And that brings us to something that trips a lot of people up. So let's clear it up right now. Think of artificial intelligence as the big overall umbrella. It's the whole concept of creating smart machines. Now, machine learning, or ML, is one of the most important tools under that umbrella. It's a specific way to achieve AI, where we just let the machines learn directly from data themselves. So here's the key takeaway you gotta remember. All machine learning is a form of AI, but not all AI uses machine learning. It's a super powerful tool in the bigger AI toolbox, but it's not the whole story. All right, enough of the theory. Let's make this real. Where do you actually run into this technology every single day, probably without even realizing it? It probably started the moment you woke up. If you unlocked your phone just by looking at it, boom, you just used AI. Then maybe you asked Siri or Alexa for the weather forecast. Yep, that's some seriously sophisticated AI understanding your voice. And it's the very same kind of smarts that powers Netflix's recommendation engine, guessing exactly what movie you're in the mood to watch tonight. And it's the intelligence that instantly figures out what you're trying to say when you use an app to translate a phrase into another language. See, the point is, AI isn't some far-off future concept. It's already woven deep into the tools we use every single day, just humming along in the background, making our lives that little bit easier. But its impact goes way, way beyond just personal convenience. AI is also completely reshaping some of the biggest industries on the planet. I mean, just look at healthcare, where it's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier than ever before, or transportation, where it's the brains behind self-driving cars. In the business world, it's automating all those boring routine tasks. Even education is being changed by apps like Duolingo. And in finance, it's analyzing data in ways we couldn't even dream of. It's truly everywhere. And this right here is why it's such a game changer. The sheer speed is just mind-blowing. An AI system can sift through absolute mountains of data in seconds, spotting insights that a human being might never, ever find. So if this is what AI can do today, what's the long-term vision? Where is all of this going? What's the ultimate goal? The ultimate, super ambitious goal for so much of AI research is, well, it's nothing short of creating technology that can actually simulate a human brain. To build a machine that can think and reason and solve problems just like we do. Think about that for a second, bringing computers on par with human thinking. That monumental challenge is what drives this entire field forward, pushing the absolute boundaries of what we all thought was possible. So we've seen where AI is today and the grand vision for its future. That leaves us with one last critical question, and this one's for you. Beyond your phone or your TV, what's the one area where you think AI will change your life next? It's a pretty fascinating thing to consider. Thanks for joining me.